Now, my coupling, the tip of it, see, it's not as big as the hole in the pipe. Look how big the hole is in the pipe. You see there? You're like, how can that work? Well, when I put that in there, it's going to build up back pressure a little bit as I put it in there. And then it's going to squirt out of there at the same pressure as before. Okay? And so I got to get my pipe ready here. Let's twist that on there. Get it on all the way. Okay. I gotta be careful not to get this down in the dirt, right? Glad I had those couplings. I have like 50 of them. Okay, so now I can put this old pipe back together. This is my boo-boo. Twist it, twist it, twist it. Get it pushed all the way on. Okay. There. You can see I gotta reuse this pipe. And let's see what I'm gonna do. Let's see what I'm gonna do over here. Let's hold this up over here like that. And I can kind of see about where it goes. That's where I'm going to want to put the T. Right there. So, let's see if I can do this with my gloves on, shall we? Try this again. Probably right up in there somewhere, like that. Okay. I just want to straighten that out. I think I got a little dirt in there because it dropped. Look at that. I don't want to have to clean that again. Okay. Okay, doke. Now I can put the T on. Like that. Okay. And I've got that little piece of pipe I got from downstairs. And I think that's going to be, look at that, it's just about right. I'm going to use it. Like that. And then put this on like that. Then I can rebend that. That's going to go up like that. And I've got a bubbler. I can put on this end. So I could have taken a little bit longer piece of pipe. And I would have had to cut it off and all that. And I'm pretty good right here. Okay, like that. And now this can go just like that. Okay, cover this up right there, like so. this is just going to go around the root ball, and it doesn't have to be any further than that. I can let it go up. And that's dead right there at the end. That. And I can just let it stick up a little. There, just like that. Stick up. I don't like that. There. That's good. And now I can just cover this. Down in there. See, it doesn't have to be deep. That's as deep as they had it from before. You know? And this is decomposed granite that they used. And they put some of that cloth material underneath it before they put the decomposed granite. That's that cloth you saw underneath the dirt over here. Okay, decay. Now I gotta get this down a little bit where it was before. I've got this other one up into the bush. I figured I'd find something, but I wasn't quite sure. I almost put a second bubbler in there when I wouldn't have had to have. It wouldn't have been the worst thing ever, you know. But glad I went the extra mile. And see, now I can cover all that back up over there. And I actually saw a wire. I don't know if I showed you that, did I? Did I show you? I saw a wire. You can't, yeah, over on the edge. Right there. That's a wire, electrical wire. And I believe that goes to that light back there. That light over there in the corner. I don't think that little wire there, I don't think that's anything. I'm not sure what that was for. But when I cover this back up, I'm going to kind of leave that. I'm going to check, make sure this light goes on tonight. And after I check that, and if the light does go on, then I can cover up everything over there and get all this stuff done. Good grief. I really didn't think I was going to go through all this today. Put this down a little bit. And this went underneath that cloth paper was right there. And so I couldn't go any further. Okay, this stuff is still pliable. And see, I've got a coupling right there. So at the coupling, I could twist this pipe and redirect it like that. If the coupling wasn't there, I could have still twisted it and got it over in there. Okay. Sometimes it comes in handy knowing that you can twist it. Okay. And got this one here. I know that 1/2-inch pipe went this direction. Like I said, I'm not sure why they did 2 pipes here. But they decided that's what they wanted to do. And I can maybe find a couple rocks or something put underneath there. Look at that. So it's out of the dirt. Okay. There we go. Boy. How's that looking? Got my 2 bubblers over there. I now have 2 bubblers here, one there, one over there for all of that. Got that bubbler up out of there. I found out where that one was. And now I guess I got a little bit more sand, more decomposed granite is what it's called, DG. You ever heard somebody say DG and you're like, what's that? Decomposed granite. It's kind of nice. It's kind of nice stuff. Well, I keep hitting that downspout every time I come out of there. I'm going to leave the rest over here until I figure out what to do about that wire. Okay, I'm going to turn the water on, and I got to get cleaned up. I got to make sure I get all this stuff put back in my bag. I kind of did some trimming here too. Pulled some stuff off, so all that stuff I got to load up, put into the trash. And then I can turn the water back on and we can check it out. Well, got the water back on. You can see it's dripping. And there's that one for that, and that one's getting wet there. Right along there, and that's plenty of water for 15 minutes it'll just drip, and that'll be enough to get all of the root ball there. And sure enough, both of these are running. That one and that one. And I looked under here, and this one's dripping too. You can see it through there. Hey, that one's fine. Right where it is. Good golly, Miss Molly. Got that cleaned up, and I got that all, and I'm glad that's over with. And I thought I was only gonna do one thing with one pipe. See, that's just how it goes when you start getting into it and start checking things out. Okay, I encourage you to do the same thing. I know you can do it. Okay, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos, and I have no idea what I'm going to show you next time. But whenever I have a little project to do around the house or in the garden, I'm going to show it.